Living with thalassemia is not easy, but it doesn't define who I am. My name is Ilham. I have thalassemia, and this is my routine. My day starts with medication. It's a routine, but it keeps me going. Throughout the day, I manage my energy levels with balanced diet. I've learned to manage my workload efficiently. Taking breaks is essential to avoid fatigue. Regular exercise helps in maintaining my overall well-being. It doesn't have to be intense, just enough to keep me active. Stress can exacerbate symptoms, so I've integrated relaxation techniques into my daily routine, and for me, it's music. Regular medical checkups are a non-negotiable part of living with thalassemia. It's not just about treating the symptoms, but staying ahead of them.